Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the daily time frame chart of gold. Gold has now broken this level to the downward, and after retesting upper levels now is expected to come down. And what are the expected supports? 1885, and let me show you. We have also one other support above this. We have one, let me show you. This is the 1885. Yes, even it can come to this level here, 1874, 75, 1879. This is the level. Even it can come down to 1870. From 1885 to 1870, we have this zone as the support. And before, above this level, we have one support also. Now I want to show you that support. Another support that we have, let me show you here. Another support that we have, 19. Let me put the level also on that. It is somewhere 9. No, this is above this level. It is, let me show you, 19. Yes, this is 1908, 1910, 9. So these are the two supports we have. This level is broken, 1909, 10, 12. This is the support. Then it is expected to go 1875, somewhere here. 18 from 1885 to 18 1870. 1870. Now we have three downward supports. Now let me write that in the text, what supports we do have downward. Now let me put the first support that we have is at 19 1909. True, 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 true. 1912. The first support and the second support. If this level is broken at 1909, then we have the support at A from 1885 to 1870. These are the supports that we have at the downward levels. Now let us move to the 1 hour time frame for the entry and stop losses. Now on the 1 hour time frame, let me show you. Now entry, it is okay to enter here, and we can put the stop loss very near. We don't need to go too far for the stop loss. Stop loss be put at this level. This is stop loss and this is the entry. This is entry. And for take profit options, from now let me put the on the 4 hour time frame, put the take profit options. First take profit is 1924, and below that, in there is a huge gap between 1924 to 1908. So it is possible that we can take another profit also between this level also. Here we can have in between a take profit option. Then it comes the 1908. Now let us move to the daily time frame for the downward levels. On the downward, we have another take profit option because this is a huge gap here. These are the take profit options. One, let me adjust this one here. The last, the we have 18 at 1870. Now this is the current market that is running now. In the long, in the higher time frames, still it is. I think it is upward, but it is expected to come down at least 1909, 10 or even at 1870. But the high time frame structure on the weekly time frame, after this, there is another expected next to my analysis that will be a detailed on the structure study of the gold market on the high time frame, on the weekly time frame. I intend to make that video. If you are interested in that video, that will cover all the weeks. Now let me show you on the weekly time frame. That will be discussed from this structure to this structure and add to this structure. But if you are interested in that, I would like to make this video, and let me know in the comments. Otherwise, it is my intention. Maybe if I get time, I will make. Now let us move to the daily time frame, and I think that I don't need to put more the position because the stop loss is very nearby. So I don't need to put any to show you the long position. This is the short position I have made through these horizontal lines and the market structure, and the stop loss is very nearby. So I think this is a very good option to be taken a sell. And another thing is that let's see what happens in the for the next my video. Okay, thank you for coming in and watching my videos. I'm really very thankful to you. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.